What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, we've got another install video on my 2019 Roguelite Special, Storm. What we're going to be installing today is your CIRO 3D windshield light trim. Let's go. Alright, so we've already got the windshield and stuff taken off because in my last video, if you didn't watch it, go back and check it out, man. We ended up installing the CIRO 3D headlight bezel lights, the fangs, I guess is what they're called, and then these grills as well. So make sure you go check that out, man, if you didn't see that in the last one. Oh, so that's why we have this already apart. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and go back and install this part back on so we can go ahead and install the windshield lights, windshield trim. So if you don't know how to take your fairing apart, man, this section here, all you do is you take your windscreen off, 4 bolts, pop those off, and then this will be sitting like this. You pop that whole thing off, it just snaps out of there. You just put your hand in here, pop it out, comes right out. So what we got to do first though is go ahead and hook up these lights. So we'll do that first. All right, Kim folks, so these here, you gotta hook them up first for the simple fact is once you cover it up, you're not gonna be able to get to it, right? So we'll just lay these on the side here. And then what you'll do is, this is actually the connection. This is going to your blinkers, and this is coming from the headlight bezel lights. Originally, let me show you real quick. Originally, stock, these would be connected like this. So when you take your fairing off, all you do is disconnect these here. This is coming from CIRO 3D stuff. Plug that into that harness, and then you would plug this into there if you're not installing these lights. But if you're installing these lights, you'll come, pop this into the CIRO 3D adapter or wiring harness, and then this will go into your stock wiring harness, just like that. Okay, do the same thing to the other side. CIRO, man, they make it so easy, plug and play, so it's pretty amazing. Okay, and then you want to just tuck this stuff in, or get a zip tie, man, and zip tie it all nice and neat type deal, right? This, and all it is your clips. There's some clips on there, so right here, they go into here. So we'll take this. I want to make sure you don't pinch your lights, your wiring in there. So we'll take this, slide that in. There, and just push it down. All right, now we're gonna add these rubber seals, or whatever they're called, on here. We're gonna line the hose up just like that, and then we'll take our light, set it on top. Like that, and then you'll take your new bolts, those little beady ones. Take your new bolts, screw them in, of course. Again, you don't want to go overpowering tight just because everything's plastic. Alright, Kim folks, so if you just saw what I did, don't make that same mistake. I put these on and got everything already tight, and then I took a look back and realized I didn't put my windscreen on. So you got to put your windscreen on behind this rubber seal and the lights. So don't forget to do that, or you'll be doing what I did and have to take everything back apart. So now we're going to tighten everything back down. get these lights inside that groove on the rubber here. So when you're tightening it down, this little ridge here, make sure this light is sitting in there. You see what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Because the metal cover has got to go on top of that right in here. So I want to make sure that this light is sitting in here like this. And then it's got a little, I'll show you here in a second, but it's actually got a little cutout on this rubber seal here to where your wire can go underneath. So just make sure your wire goes up underneath there. Okay, so now for your covers, kinfolk, these black covers here, you're gonna go on top of here. There's a groove right here. You want to catch in there. And then your wire on the back end, you want to make sure it is tucked like that because your hole is right there. Slide it from the front, get it to catch the front of the light circuit board. Make sure your wire is tucked in. Do not lose this little screw knuckles because it's a itty bitty one, y'all. And then tighten her down right there. Ooh, that looks sick. Get this up. Like I said, this light wires will go in there. See how grooved it is? Catch that on top of there. Don't lose this screw knuckles. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Kinfolk. That's how it's done. Ow, ow, ow. That's how it's done. So let's go ahead and take a look at it now. You ready, baby?
I'm ready, Eddie.
Ah, diggity dang. Can you see it? Now let's throw the flashers on. Sequential turning lights, y'all. She's a beauty, boys. So there you go, kinfolk. Man, I'm super stoked. Super stoked. So, CIRO 3D, a great combination for your motorcycle. And yeah, man. So, I hope that helps y'all out. I hope I did a good job of explaining it, man. They're super simple to install. The wiring is super simple. So it's just all plug and play, y'all. If that helped, make sure you leave a thumbs up down below, man. And also hit that subscribe button because without you guys, this content would mean nothing. So I appreciate it. And stay tuned for more stuff coming to Storm, my 2019 Road Glide Special. Also, I'm going to be working with Loudmouth Cycles, man, to get some stuff together. So keep watching, y'all. Keep watching. Stay subscribed. Much love. Much respect. Knuckle!